Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes and I am in San Francisco and I just got off the ship that I'm on, Crystal Serenity, and I'm going to be walking down to Fisherman's Wharf. So if you're planning a short cruise, maybe from Vancouver to Los Angeles, this will be one of the stops, and it's only a 10-minute walk to Fisherman's Wharf and it's wonderful. So come along and let's see what we see. Pier 39 is just a cool place to come and buy some souvenirs, have something to drink, something to eat. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes and I am down in San Francisco at Pier 37 and I've met the most wonderful gentleman. Ken, tell us about yourself.
Hi, my name is Ken. I'm a pedicab driver with Cabrio, and I'll be glad to take you anywhere you want to go. I can meet you anywhere along the Embarcadero here in San Francisco. Please get in touch with me.
And if they wanted to get in touch with you, what's your email?
It's kennycamp@gmail.com, KENNYCAMP@gmail.
That is awesome. Wonderful. Have a great day, Ken. Nice to meet you.
You too.
If you're wanting to take a cruise over to Alcatraz or the Bay, there are so many companies here that offer cruises for an hour up to, I don't know, 4 or 5, I would assume. Some of them offer a cruise to Alcatraz and then you get off and you can go and explore Alcatraz. Then there are others that are an hour long and it goes around the bay underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. This is a fun city to come and see. Whether you're getting off a cruise ship or whether you're planning a few days getaway in San Francisco, this is a fun city. And wear comfy shoes because there's lots of walking. This is a Waymo, and it's a car with no driver. At first it's kind of weird to see it, but it navigates in traffic, and there's many of them in San Francisco. Doesn't that look odd to see no driver? When you're in San Francisco, don't hesitate to take the hop-on, hop-off. They've got different fares for different itineraries. I did it. It's lots of fun. I'm at Pier 39 and I've come across the most fabulous shop, Carmel Honey Company. So let's go in and have a look. If you love honey, you must come here and have a visit and buy some of these wonderful gift packs that they have. And who doesn't love honey on their toast and their tea? Good morning, so nice to meet you. Bath and Beauty. Ooh, a little honey caramel corn. Maybe something for the kids. There's an apron. Wonderful. I think I may have to purchase something here today. Hey everyone, I'd like you to meet Taryn, and he's going to tell us a little bit about honey. And I was saying to him, to me honey is honey, but there's different brands and flavors you're saying. So tell me what it's all about.
Yeah, so all the honey here is raw, natural honey, and this is meadow foam honey. It's our best seller. We get the flower from Willamette, Oregon, and basically we take the hives up there to feed off of that flower. And each has their own distinct flavor. So with the meadow foam, it has a toasted marshmallow, vanilla flavor, a great dessert honey.
Ooh, that sounds so good.
Yeah, this is a great guilt-free sweet treat.
You're painting a fabulous picture with your words.
Yeah, and then if you go over here with the wildflower, so the wildflower is great for allergies and all around immune benefits because the bees are feeding off of 5 different flowers: eucalyptus, lavender, rosemary, buckwheat, and bottlebrush. So this has the widest range of allergens that it's going to be protecting against. And this is going to have a lot richer flavor. While the first one was sweet, this one is going to be very rich and deep.
I think I'm going to take that one. It sounds just right for me.
Yeah. And then if you come over here, we have the orange blossom. If you like something sweet but a bit lighter, picture that first one being like a vanilla milkshake. It tastes good, but it might be a little bit of a heavy sweet. This is more of like a Jamba Juice smoothie, light sweet to it. Very citrusy, very bright, and very sweet, but just a lighter sweetness.
Orange blossom.
And then if you come over here to sage, lastly, this is like butter on toast. If you just want something that's nice and simple, not going to be overwhelming in flavor, highly recommend the sage. It goes great on dressings, goes great in tea, fresh fruit, or oranges. And this is especially recommended if you're not looking to take away from the flavor of whatever you're adding it to.
Well, this has been great. I have learned a lot. I thank you so much for your time, and I will buy that allergen one.
Awesome.
Thank you. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. I have spent a glorious 2 days in San Francisco. I'm on the Crystal Serenity right behind me, and we were in port for 2 days, so I didn't have a lot of time to see things, but I packed in as much as I could. I do appreciate you following me on my channel, and stay tuned for more. Bye for now.